Hi guys, I'm Laura and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my first update to my year-long project pan. I initially rolled these products in on the 27th of December and I've been using them for about 2 weeks now, and it's time for an update and I have some lovely progress to share with you guys, and I've got a few things to roll in. So let's jump right on in. My foundations I'm plodding along with really well. I've still left the air in them. My thought process is that leaving the air in them will keep all the product near the bottom of the tubes, and eventually I will get that air bubble of joy. We all know the satisfaction of when you're using a tube product and the air bubble comes out. That's what I'm going for here. But the tension is starting to go in these tubes, so I know that air bubble isn't going to be far off. I've been really enjoying them. I've kind of been alternating using them, using the NYX one like 3 days a week, using the Revolution one 4 days a week, so I will continue to go along that process, carry on that routine until I get more progress. The concealer, the Hydroluminous Dark Circle Concealer for number 7. I'm really enjoying this guy. I'm not going to be able to see any actual progress on this until the dispenser gets past this part of the label, but I don't think that's going to be far off. Maybe by next week I'll be able to see it above the dark part of the label. One area that I have been seeing noticeable progress in my face products, in my NARS Duo. This is the Nude Mauve blush from Max Factor. I've used a considerable amount of it. I don't think this is going to be here at the update next week, so I will possibly roll in another blush. We'll see. But the Sculpt and Glow Duo, guys, I hit pan on the highlight and on the bronzer. I will throw up a picture of what they looked like before, so you can definitely notice that the pan is now visible. It's not just peeking through the powder. There is actual pan here and actual pan here. I think by the next update there's going to be a lot of pan in this product, and I think it's just reinforcing my belief that this isn't going to last to the end of January if I carry on wearing makeup as regularly as I have been, which has literally been every day. If I can carry on at that pace, awesome, but even if I take a day or two off, I don't think this will last to the end of January. My face powder, I'm plodding along really well with this. I actually think this won't take as long as I thought it did. I thought this was going to be in this project till like maybe June, but I think this might get finished around about the end of March. I've worked out how I like to use it best and how it sits on the skin best, and yeah, I'm getting on like house on fire with it, which is grand. And then we have the Clinique Chubby Stick in Robust Rhubarb, and when I started this project it was sitting kind of level with this edge of the packaging, and as you can see it's starting to dip. This is going to take a while to go through, totally, and it is really mucky. It's really mucky. This is going to take a while to go through, I know that, but I'm enjoying every minute of it. It is a beautiful colour, and as long as I'm still continuing to see visible progress on this week to week, I'll be more than happy to just keep it in my project till it's done. So that leaves that gets us to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves us with the 2 pencil products, which I kind of thought might be done by this update, but not quite. We have the brow pencil, which legit just has this much left. That's like maybe 2 days worth. Maybe 2 days worth. So this is definitely going to get rolled out. Oh my god, it's actually come detached. I can't twist it down anymore. That is legit all that is left. And then we have the number 7 nude lip liner, which this is about half of what was there before. I've been making a really conscious effort with using this. Here in my bathroom I actually have a station. It was just a few bits in a little plastic basket in a wee jar, but I've actually moved one of my makeup organisers in here, and it's all laid out and pretty, and it makes getting ready in the morning so easy, and it makes touch-ups even easier. So I've been making a conscious effort of every time I come to the bathroom, wash my hands, reapply a bit of lip liner, a bit of lipstick, touch up the eyeliner if it needs it. So yeah, these two will definitely be getting rolled out next week. So I don't have any rollouts this week, but part of my challenge was to roll in 2 products every week, and I'm already up in the ante a little bit because I'm going to roll in 4 products this week. Now hear me out. These are 4 products that are almost done anyway, so I figure just get them used up. This is my brow wax from from Elf. This is all that is left of this brow wax. Again, it's maybe 2 days worth. Let's just get it used up, eh? No point having it sitting around. Then I have the number 7 Skin Illuminator, which I think was in my 5 by fall last year. Again, there's days worth of this product left, days. So let's just get it used up. And because that brow pencil was almost done, I was going to roll in a brow pencil anyway. This is the number 7 Beautiful Brow, which has about the same amount left as I started with the Avon one. So I think this might see me through to the end of January before I need to roll in another brow product. And lastly, I have a number 7 Stay Perfect Shadow Pencil. This is in the shade Golden Copper. And again, there is so little of this left. That is all that's left. I was working on this so diligently in the second half of last year. I was using this every time I wore makeup. If I'd worn makeup as regularly as I'm wearing makeup now, this would have been finished off last year. So yeah, I don't even know if that's going to be enough to last 2 weeks. It's definitely going to be finished before the end of January. I know that much. And that just makes me so happy. As you guys know, my overall figures for using up makeup products this year, my minimum goal is 50 products. And right now we're sitting on 14 that are making happy progress to get used up. So I definitely think I'll meet my minimum goal this year. Can we meet any of my other goals? My moderate goal is 100 products. My stretch goal is 150, and my aggressive goal is 200 makeup products. That's probably not going to happen, but I definitely think I could get over 100 makeup products used up this year. That would be freaking amazing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. The next update will be live next Friday. Let me know how you're liking these weekly updates. And yeah, remember to subscribe if you'd like to see the videos as they go live. And give this video a like if you liked it. It helps it in the algorithm. Really makes my day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.